Dependency management. So what is a dependency management? Maven download and put in our project required jar required jar required jar that is called dependency management. Okay, from where Maven download jar. Answer is Maven. Maven supports three types of repository. First one is central repository. Second one is local repository. And third one is remote repository. From where Maven download jar for our project. So there are Maven support three repository. So we will see one example in Paint using the diagram. I'm opening my Paint. Suppose we have our local system, our local machine. This is our local machine. Local system. In the local system have one file called, in our project one file called project object management pom.xml. And one repository available on the internet, that is called central repository, which is maintained by Apache. It is on the cloud. It is on the internet. This is repository available in the internet. It has a, and it is maintained by Apache. This is a company Apache which introduced Maven. So this is your central repository on the cloud, and in your pom.xml file, suppose I have mentioned there Spring 2.0.2 dependency in your in project XML pom.xml. Then what happen? In the locally have one more repository, that is called the local repository. When we mention any dependency in pom.xml, Maven goes into this central repository. First of all, it goes to this local repository and check it. Is there any Spring dependency available with this version? If yes, it will use from the local repository. If not, then it will go to the central repository and download and keep it into local repository. And our project means pom.xml, it will use from the local repository. Means every time need not to go to the central repository and download. It will download at a once in our local repository and it is used by our project. So what is a central repository? Central repository maintained by Apache. It has all the dependency and upgraded version in the central repository. Then every time when we added the new dependency, first time it goes to the central repository and download into the local repository. So where is it, our local repository? Where is it? pom.xml file. So we need to see. I'll show you local repository. Okay,